Hi guys, hope you are doing well. So today we will learn that how can we add customer receipts in our QuickBook Online account. So first of all, you need to log in your QuickBook Online account. After the login, you can see different options on your left side. So if you want to add customer receipts in your QuickBook account, then you need to go on sales and select the customers. Let's say we received the receipt from Pro Stainless Design. So to enter the receipt, you need to click on receive payment, and then this window will open. First of all, you need to select the customer from which you received the receipt. For example, we received the remittance from Pro Stainless Design, then we will select the Pro Stainless Design in Customer tab. Then you have to choose the payment date, on which date you received the receipt. For example, we received the receipt on 1st of April 2024, and then we have to choose the payment method by on which method you receive the receipt. If you receive the receipt in cash form, then you have to select cash. If you receive the receipt through check, then you need to select the check. So in our example, let's say we receive the receipt in cash form, then we will select the cash, and then there is reference number. If there is any reference number of your receipt, then you can put in reference number tab, like my reference number is 1254, and then you have to select the bank on which bank you received the receipt. For example, we received the receipt in Bank of Ireland, then I will select the Bank of Ireland. In below section, it's showing the all the outstanding invoices of Stainless Design. Let's say our customer sent the receipt against invoice number 67. Then I will select this invoice, and in payment tab you can change the amount. Like if our customer sent the receipt 7,000, but actually outstanding invoice amount is 7,921.20, but our customer sent the receipt of 7,000, then we will enter 7,000 in amount. After enter all the data, you have to go below and save, click on save and new. Here you can see it showing that receive payment 1254 is now saved. You can double check by open the customer account. Here if I click on Pro Stainless Design, and I will go below. Here is 7,000 which I entered now. If you want to see other details of this receipt, then you can click on view and edit. It will show the same window in which we entered the receipt details. So this is all the procedure that how can we add customer receipts in our quick online QuickBook account.